Drinking alcohol drains the body of minerals, vitamins, enzymes, and coenzymes. Prolonged drinking causes permanent damage. So, you no longer drink. It is first necessary to restore all the vitamins back into your body. There are some herbs that will help you rebuild the damage. To do this, take bee pollen. Take bee pollen daily and a quality multivitamin. You can sprinkle the bee pollen on any foods that you eat, or you can simply eat it by itself. For your kidney, I would take a combination of juniper berries, golden seal root, parsley, marshmallow, watermelon seeds, and ginger. This combination feeds the kidney and helps restore its filtering abilities. Remember, you can take this combination together or separate throughout the day. For your liver, I would take a combination of dandelion root, golden seal root, red beetroot, yellow dock, bayberry, and Oregon grape root. They are all cleansing herbs and enable the liver to dump and store toxins which are secreted in the bile. The liver is a remarkable organ. When it's kept clean and given proper nutrients, it can usually rebuild itself even when severe damage has occurred. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to research and subscribe so we can live and learn together.